If you wake up at 2 a.m. fully alert and can't drift back to sleep, your cortisol rhythm is reversed, and it's damaging more than just your rest. Here's what's occurring inside your body right now. Your adrenal glands, two small glands sitting on top of your kidneys, are meant to follow a cycle. Cortisol peaks in the morning, giving you vitality to wake up. Then it slowly drops throughout the day. By evening, cortisol should be low. Melatonin rises. You sleep. But ongoing stress disrupts this pattern. Work pressures, relationship tension, money worries, sleep loss, inflammation. Whatever the trigger, your hypothalamus keeps sending stress signals. Night after night, month after month. Your adrenal glands respond by releasing cortisol at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., times when cortisol should be quiet. This isn't normal stress. This is cortisol imbalance, and it triggers a chain reaction throughout your entire body.
First, your metabolism shifts. Cortisol signals your liver to produce glucose. Blood sugar rises at 2 a.m. when you should be sleeping. Insulin increases to compensate, but your cells become resistant. Fat storage increases, especially around your belly. Stubborn, frustrating, resistant to diet and exercise. Second, your thyroid function slows down. Cortisol inhibits thyroid hormone production. Your metabolism drops. You feel cold. Weight gain accelerates. Energy plummets. Third, your immune system becomes dysregulated. Chronic cortisol suppresses your immune response. You get sick more often. Or it triggers inflammation. Autoimmune markers increase. Fourth, your brain chemistry changes. Cortisol reduces serotonin and dopamine production. Anxiety intensifies. Depression deepens. Brain fog becomes constant. All from cortisol being produced at the wrong time.
Here's how to fix it. First, protect your sleep window. 7 to 9 hours. Same bedtime, same wake time, every single night. This gives your HPA axis, your stress response system, consistent signals. Within 2 to 3 weeks, your cortisol rhythm begins to recalibrate. Second, manage your stress response during the day. 10 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, a walk in nature. This retrains your nervous system to stop sending nighttime stress signals to your adrenals. Third, stabilize your blood sugar. Protein-rich meals, healthy fats, fiber, no sugar crashes. Blood sugar crashes trigger cortisol spikes. Stable blood sugar means stable cortisol. If you don't fix this, the damage compounds. Chronic insomnia that sleep medications can't touch, stubborn weight gain that no diet can fix, brain fog that never clears no matter how much coffee you drink, anxiety and depression that feel permanent. This is what happens when cortisol stays imbalanced for months or years.
But here's what's important to understand. Your body didn't fail you. For months, possibly years, it's been compensating, trying to maintain function despite chaotic cortisol. The biology you're experiencing now is communication. Your HPA axis saying the stress load is unsustainable. And here's the hopeful part. Your cortisol rhythm can restore. Your body remembers what balanced cortisol feels like. It just needs the right conditions to return to it. Consistent sleep timing, daily stress management, blood sugar stability. These aren't quick fixes, they're rhythm resets, and they work. Start tonight. Same bedtime, 7 to 9 hours, no exceptions. Your body will thank you.